What planet is this? It looks really weird. I think it is called Earth or something like that. What kind of government do you think they have here? Oh, this is Earth? I heard about that. If this is the United States, I bet this is the place that has a Congress. It is pretty weird how these humans do things here. What is a Congress? Congress is the part of government that makes laws, declares war and makes an army. Congress spends a lot of money on making an army, from what I am told. So, what you are saying is, we shouldn't try to take over this planet? Yeah, that is what I am saying. In fact, let's get out of here before the army sees us. Good idea. Let's go find a world that has no government or army. Yes, I'm all for that.